Welcome back. In this simple geometry practice, we are going to find the area of polygon. The first question is parallelogram area. Parallelogram area is base times height. It is given to us base is 7 meter, height is 5 meter. Therefore, we say 7 times 5. That is 35 square meter. All done with the first one. Let us look at the second one. Second one is a triangle. Triangle area is 1/2 times base times height. In this practice, we have a height that is 5 units. But we don't have the base yet. We can find what the base is by using Pythagorean theorem. Why is that? We're going to redraw this triangle, not drawing in scale, just a quick sketch. We have hypotenuse is 13. And the short leg is 5. We need this long leg. That means we have A, we have C, we don't know what is B. By Pythagorean theorem, B squared is C squared minus A squared. Since we only want to have a B, we're going to say B is under square root C squared minus A squared. Therefore, we're going to say 13 squared minus 5 squared. That is 12. Okay? Or maybe you remember Pythagorean triple. Pythagorean triple says these three stand together. What are they? They're 5, 12, 13. So if you remember Pythagorean triple, you don't have to go through this procedure. Otherwise, you use A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Then you just manipulate a little bit to see which one you want to get. Okay? All right. Now we got the longer leg for this triangle is 12, which is also the base, and we can continue finding the area of this triangle. Now we can write down 1/2. Base is 12. Height is 5. 1/2 times 12 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. So this area is 30 units squared. All right, that is question 2. Let us look at question 3 right here. Question 3 is a trapezoid. Trapezoid area is 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times height. We have base 1 is 5, base 2 is 7. So we add them and times 1/2, or you can say I'm going to divide it by 2. Then we're going to multiply the height, that is 6. So 1/2 times 12, that is 6. 6 times the other 6, that is 36 square feet. Let us look at question 4. Question 4 is a rhombus. How do we know it's rhombus? You see these tick marks right here? Tells us all the sides are congruent. It's a quadrilateral. All sides congruent. That's the definition of rhombus. Then how do we find the rhombus area? That is 1/2 diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Diagonal 1 is 40. Diagonal 2 is 32. Times 1/2, that is divided by 2. Let's see what we have. 640, and we have units squared. Okay? All right, let us solve 2 more problems. This time, let's draw a kite. For a kite, as you can see, these 2 sides are going to have the same length. These 2 sides have the same length. And diagonal perpendicular to each other. This longer diagonal will bisect this shorter diagonal. Perpendicular bisect. All right, we quickly reviewed what is a kite. Now, let's get some units for the kite. This shorter diagonal, that is, let's say it's 4. The longer diagonal, let's say we give it a 10. We're using smaller numbers today, okay? And we can say that's a meter and that's a meter. All right, we're going to find the area of the kite. Simple, simple. Area kite. You use the same formula as rhombus. So it's 1/2 d1 times d2. Diagonal 1 is 4. Diagonal 2 is 10. And that is 20. And we did not use units. We use meters. So it's a meter. Put a square here. So square meter. That is how we find the area of polygon. Happy learning.